Hello everyone. In this video, we're gonna learn how to print reverse left triangle pattern in Java, which is look like this. Let's see the logic behind it. Let's go on our whiteboard here. What's our first step is to draw our pattern on paper like this, and this will show from where our I start and where it end. Same in J, from where I J start and where it end. By drawing this, we will let know that uh, from where our for loop gonna start and where from our for loop gonna end. After drawing this, we need to type our basic body of Java pattern. So for basic body, we need to create two for loops, one for I, one for j, and in on that we have to create a if block. Let's type it for let's type our for loops for I will start from 1 and it will end at 5, less than equals to 5, and it will increase each and every time. So here again for loop, this is j loop. J also start from 1 and j is also equals to less than equals to 5, j plus plus. In this both loop, I loop gonna represent the row and the j loop gonna represent the column. And this we will put a condition in if statement. If this condition gonna true, this condition gonna true, we will print each and every time this if condition gonna true, our star will be printed at that place. So yeah, here each and every time this statement gonna true, our star gonna print. Or if this condition gonna false, is this condition gonna not work, then in else part that place space gonna print. Okay, so we need to build a logic which we need to put here. By that logic, each and every time we need to print our star, the condition will be on true, or each and every time where we do not need to print a star, where we need to print a space, this condition gonna be false. So and each time when this j loop gonna end, our next line gonna print slash ln print ln. Each and every time this j loop gonna end, the cursor need to be on a next line. For next line, we use println function. So here I write system.out.println after the j loop, but inside the I. Okay. So we need to build our logic to get a logic which we need to put in this if statement to get it right each and every time where we want to be x, where we want space. So let's go on our whiteboard. This is our first step. We done it. First step, and the second step is this. This is our second step. Okay, so this is our second step. We need to write our I and j and the position of I and the position of j. I when I is 1, the at place where I is 1, then j is 1 2 3 4 5. When I is 2, then j is 2 3 4 5. When I is 3, then j is 3 4 5. When I is 4, then j is 4 5. When I is 5, then j is 5. This is our second step. You do not need to think much, just do first step and then second step, the logic will build easily. Okay, so after that we need to write our third step. Third step, which is this, we'll write here. Yeah, so in third step, what we're gonna write, we need to simplify this section. We need to simplify this section into an easy manner, so which look like less customizable or in with less similarities. So for that, what we're gonna do it is we will see from the middle, is that j greater than equals to 3. Either j is 3 and more than 3. In this case, either j is greater than equals to 2, either j is greater than equals to 1, either j is greater than equals to 4, or either j greater than equals to 5. So for doing less customizable, we need to type this j greater than equals to. So is when I is 5, I is 1, then here j is greater than equals to 5, greater than equals to 1. Yeah. When j is 2, it will be 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So let's consider this statement. When I is 3, j is 3 or greater than 3, 3 and greater than 3. When I is 4, j is 4 and 4 more than 4, greater than 4. So this is a less simplify code. Now in the fourth step, we need to convert this in a one line statement, one word statement, one conditional statement. So how can, so we already know we need to do some build some logic with the help of this I. So what we're gonna do, firstly look at this. This is 1 2 3 4 5, similar to this 1 2 3 4 5. Each and every time when I is 1 we need here 1, when I is 2 we need here 2, when I is 3 we need here 3. So why don't we write I instead of this number? So why don't I just simply write j greater than equals to I and put this statement on if block. If each and every time this condition gonna true, this pattern outcome gonna come, and each and every time this outcome is come, at that place our star gonna print. So let's copy this and put in our code at the place of an if condition. Now if you understand this code, we will run it, right? Let's see what's the output. Yeah, this is our output. So basically the code is for int for loop for I gonna run from 1 to 5, and for j loop gonna run from 1 to 5 if j is greater than equals to I, which I explained you. Each and every time this condition is true, the star gonna print, and each and every time this condition gonna false, the space gonna print. And each and every time a single line of j gonna print, we need to go to the next line. So we will put yeah, here the println. So we have this output. So all you remember is all you need to remember is this step 1, step 2, step 3, and step 4. Everything is so easy. Just focus on those steps and you have your output easily. Thank you guys for watching this. We will meet you in next video.